Good morning everybody, welcome to another day of phonics. Let's get ready to go. Bounce my sounds 3 times. Well done. Fabulous. Amazing. Lots of sounds this morning. I'm going to help you, are you ready? G, g, g. X, x, x. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Qua, qua, qua. Ah, ah, ah. Ooh, ooh, ooh. G, g, g. X, x, x. How fast can you do these sounds? Wow, look at you go. That's fantastic. Fabulous. Okay, my turn, your turn. Food. Gloom. Mood. Food. Gloom. Mood. Food. Gloom. Mood. Food. Gloom. Mood. Fantastic. Food, gloom, mood. What sound do you hear in all of these words? Oh, it's a bit tricky today. Food, gloom, mood. Let's see if you're right. Show me those phoning fingers. Wiggle them around. Make sure they're nice and warm. It's very windy today. Okay, your word is zoom. First sound. Second sound. Third sound. Fantastic. Your word is moon. Zoom to the moon. Moon. First sound. Second sound. Third sound. Fantastic. Can you draw the moon in your fingers? Oh, fantastic. It's a big round circle. My word is spoon. First sound. Second sound. Third sound. Fourth sound. Fantastic. Spoon. Spoon. Oh, let me see if you can do one on your own. Can you do baboon? When I went to the zoo, I saw a baboon. Baboon. Oh, I think this has a few more sounds than we've practiced today. Baboon. Are you ready? Baboon. B, ah, b, oo, n. Baboon, give yourself a round of applause. Fantastic. I'm going to be a robot. You are going to be blenders. Oop. Fantastic. Can you do hula hoop? Ooh, fantastic. S-oo-n. I hope we get to see you very soon back at school. R-oot. Fantastic. R-oot. Root. Beautiful. Art-oo-n. Wow! Art-oo-n. Cartoon! Have you been watching some cartoons on the telly? Have you? What was your favourite? That's my favourite too. Last one, okay, ready? B-r-oo-m. Broom! Amazing, everybody! Just like the witch in Room on the Broom, she gets on her broom and lets all her friends on. She wouldn't be able to do that now unless she was doing her social distancing. Okay, now you're going to be a robot. Show me your robot arms. Oh, I can see they're lovely and strong today. Your word is mood. What mood are you in? Ood. Mood. Ready? Moon. Amazing. Food. What's your favourite food? My favourite food is spaghetti bolognese. What's your favourite food? Oh, that sounds really yummy. Last one. Broom. Try that one out. Broom. Do you think the sound that you thought it was at the beginning, it is today? I think you were right too. The sound is oo. My turn, your turn. Diagraph. Diagraph. 2 letters, 1 sound. 2 letters, 1 sound. Ooh. ooh. Fantastic. This is our sound today. It's the ooh sound. 2 O's together make the ooh sound. We're going to read some words that have the ooh sound in them. When we read, what do we do? Now, we've been doing this for a long time, so I hope you know this now without my help. What do we do? You have remembered. Well done. We look at the letters, we make the sound, and we blend the sounds together. Are you ready? I can't hear you. Are you ready? Let's go. Brilliant. Noon. Your next word. I hope I get to see you very soon. 2 more words. Oh, let's see if Miss Hulstrom gets this right. Oob. Foob. Is this a b? What sound is it? Well done. Food. Food. Amazing. Last word. I think you deserve a whoosh. You are fabulous at your phonics. Okay, last part of our phonics session for today. What do you need? Do you need a drink of water? Do you need a reading book? What do we need? Well done. You need paper or a whiteboard, pen or a pencil. Get them right now. Got mine? Okay, we are going to write some words that have the ooh sound in them. When we write, what do we do? Fantastic. If you're in reception, you are still practicing saying the word, saying the word, saying the word, roboting the word. In year 1, you say it, and you finger it. It's up to you if you robot or if you finger today. Okay? If you're in reception, you want to start practicing your fingering of your words. That means you'll be ready for year 1 before we come back. Okay, your word is food. Food, food, food. Food, food. Write it. Food, food. Remembering that cursive handwriting. My favourite food is spaghetti bolognese. Food. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Food. Food. Brilliant phonics, everybody. Your next word is broom. A witch flies on a broom. Broom, broom, broom. Brilliant. Broom. Broom. Write it. Broom. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Broom. 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 Oh, I can see you've been doing lots of practicing. Your last one. When I went to the zoo, what did I see? I saw a baboon. I saw a baboon. Say it, say it, say it. Robot it or finger it. Baboon. Baboon. Write it. Lots of B's in our words today. Helping us practice a B, not a D. Baboon. 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 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Baboon. Baboon. I would like you today to use this word baboon and put it into a sentence just like I did. I saw a baboon at the zoo. Can you put baboon into a sentence? Give it a go and I'll see you very soon.